Well, good morning. It is 8:30 in the morning on a Tuesday morning. I said morning like 12 times. And I had someone ask me recently, since you started eBay, my whole life isn't about eBay, mind you. We've been so busy with work and stuff, we haven't been able to travel or do anything, have too much fun with the Logan and Luke. We're going to be rectifying that in the near future. As you can see, a snapshot on my computer over here, but it's not the whole thing. Anyways, since you started eBay, where are you putting all your stuff? Well, you're about to find out. Okay, since starting eBay, this is a newer desk. It's a vintage antique desk. This is at least 40, possibly 50 years old antique wooden desk given to me by my parents. As extra room, we use this for the shipping area. And I had this for collectibles. I had to push a lot of my collectibles all in the corner. Okay, I take them out and place them around for videos. I have to list that. We still have our collectibles here. I had to put we're going to be offering that up on eBay as well. That's a label printer. Still have some collectibles here. I got to get rid of some of this stuff. It's old. It's just some extra work pants and whatnot. And I have some charge cables and stuff. Then, underneath there, I have all kinds of product in bins there. Product here. Product there. Product over there underneath the computer table. Okay, so my mess of cords. We got shipping supplies here for bubble wrap. I gotta list that. We have a cabinet here that's usually used for a lot of the kids' clothes. Hey, look, there's product here. There's product here. I gotta list that. I'm gonna list that in the fall. I have some more toys that may go up for listing and a roll of this is thick, heavy paper for shipping out ceramics and whatnot. I have an entire huge bag full of bubble wrap and cardboard and recyclables. I have rolls of plastic wrap there I got to put somewhere. This computer right now is already up for sale on Facebook. So I have to put this aside because it's in perfect working order. And so eBay is literally, I have product over next to the computer. We have some discs and cables and cords and little bits here. I have stuff on top of our printer. This is where we print out our labels. I have product all over here. This is a lot of different things. There's a box in the corner that's got a bunch of Spider-Man stuff that I need to list. A bunch of product way in there. There's product in this bag. Most of it's been listed. I have some clothes hanging up that we've listed on eBay already. So if you're considering starting an eBay business, you got to think about where you're going to put your crap at. We're going to reorganize this in the very near future, and we'll show what we do. But for the meantime, we have an order going out today. Someone purchased a stack of 25 mini DVD ROMs. Thank you for your order. And I thought it'd be fun to wrap it on up, and you can see what I do when we ship this. So come with me.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Meanwhile, at the Hall of Justice.
Okay, so we have our product. And excuse me, you hit record and your throat goes bad. I'm gonna wrap it up in some since this already has a really hard plastic cover. It's already pre-wrapped. This is pretty sturdy, so we don't need to do too much to it. So I'm gonna wrap this up in some bubble wrap. We have our tape gun here. Gonna pull out a little piece. Make sure this is nice and tight. I'm going to wrap up the edges. Oh, really? And that's the thing with shipping tape. You gotta do it just right in a short amount of time. It really gets all over itself. You gotta be ready to use it. Oh my God, see, it just goes bad so quickly. Okay, so it wants to really curl on itself all the time. Okay, so we have it all wrapped up. We have a bubble mailer here. Let's see what size this is. I got a whole lot of those. I don't have my tape measure. Yes, I do. The size of these, I'm not sure. I got a whole lot of these. We're looking at about inside, about 8 inches wide by about 10. So 11 by 8, size of a piece of paper. Right there, size of a piece of paper. That's about the size of those. And I think it might say it across the top here. I'm not sure. Anyways, I can't remember where I got these. I have a whole lot of them, and I use them after I list an item on eBay. I stick them in these to keep it, whatever the item is, to keep them safe. It already has bubble wrap on the inside. So for this, just to simply stick it in here. Now, when we ship off an item, we put a thank you letter in for every person. It just says, thank you for your purchase. I hope you enjoy your item. And if you found your item enjoyable, please give us a positive review. And it lets us know our eBay store and our YouTube channel. And I simply fold it up. Sometimes I fold it like this or like this. If I have to, I'll fold it in half again. But I'm just going to put this in right here. Actually, I might fold this in half. Well, maybe not. So we put it in here. And I'm going to fold it up. Give it a one solid fold. And that's good right there. I'm probably going to take a little bit of tape and tape off each edge. See how it's kind of wide? There's nothing that's going to happen to this product. It's got a nice size to it. I'll be able to put a label up top and on the bottom. And this is going to be shipping out. Let's see. I believe it's under a pound. Okay, so yeah, we have our, we weighed it. This weighs approximately 7 pounds. No! Which is, I'm sorry, 7 ounces, which is under 1 pound, which will ship regular first class mail. So the buyer hasn't paid no more than about a couple dollars for shipping on this. So we're going to add the actually ship to label, and then we're going to take this off to mail off today. So yeah, it's real light and real easy. Anything under a pound, you're probably going to be shipping for under $5. Depends on where you're shipping across the country. So a bubble wrap with a bubble mailer, and we're going to place our labels and put a little extra tape over the labels so that they don't fade in the weather, and we're good to go. Well, try to get a good angle here with some light. I hope you enjoyed this morning's video, and be on the lookout for a what's sold, because we've been lucky, we've been blessed to have some sales lately. We're averaging close to a sale a day, which is nothing big. They're only $5 to $10, maybe $15 in profit. And what does that go for? Food, clothing, and gas for the car and whatever. It's always gone. So it's a part-time business, if you want to call it that. It's a hobby, and we have fun doing it. And we're constantly learning. I'm constantly learning more about shipping, what sells and doesn't sell, things of that nature. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. We'd love to see you back in our next video. Gothamites friends, have a great day.